If you use a turbo or supercharger to increase your engine's efficiency, then a boost gauge is a must-have accessory. It monitors the pressure flowing into the combustion chamber. Low pressure is inefficient, while high pressure can blow the engine. Therefore, the gadget ensures optimum pressure for enhanced engine performance. Here are the best aftermarket boost gauges to assist you in keeping an eye on your engine. Number 1. AEM UEGO Air/Fuel Ratio Gauge. Finding the ideal gauge kit for your vehicle can be a daunting task when one doesn't know what to look out for. As much as possible, potential buyers are advised to invest in well-known brands as they have been trusted with the production of items for decades. A typical example of such companies is AEM, and they're here once more with another gauge kit model. This is their AEM fuel ratio gauge. It is different in operation and use when compared with their other units, but is equally durable and also very affordable. The fuel ration gauge kit uses the LED system for easy visibility. It also operates with help from an analog output device that manages the operation efficiently. The AEM boost gauge features black and silver bezels and faceplates, which can be changed to make the system more personalized and welcoming, depending on your personality. Existing users of this gauge kit love its dual purpose, digital display, and operations, as well as its ability to keep your engine in top shape no matter the environment. The speed and accuracy delivered to vehicles from this kit makes it one of the best-selling systems in recent times, and for a good reason. Number 2. GlowShift Turbo Boost Gauge Kit. For anyone running a super or turbocharger in their vehicle, having the GlowShift Tinted Turbo Boost Gauge Kit is very imperative. This is because it is a unit that has been mechanically designed to operate with the highest level of energy and efficiency. It helps in the monitoring of your vehicle's compression and also boosts all operation levels to prevent damage to your engine. The GlowShift gauge kit is a part of their 7-color series. Thus, it features an illuminated red needle and a unique dial LED lighting system. This gauge kit was designed by manufacturers who understand the varied needs of vehicles and customers. The GlowShift company has made use of the best materials to ensure that their kits last longer. The user has the freedom to change the color of the numbers and tick marks via a simple button. This button can be found in front of the gauge, and this allows for easier and quicker control of the kit. We recommend this gauge kit for all those with vehicles they want to improve both internally and externally. The stealth-like feature of this unit gives it a unique outlook, which isn't familiar with other brands. Key features: low-profile tinted lens, mechanical boost gauge, 2 hose clamps, 2 foot of power wire. Number 3. AEM Wideband UEGO AFR Sensor Controller Gauge. The AEM Wideband Sensor Control Gauge has made it to our top spot in this lineup of the best AFR gauges as it ticks all the boxes of being reasonably priced, providing accurate readings, fast response times, and offering the ability to report values that other controllers cannot. The visually striking faceplate is 87% larger than the brand's previous best AFR gauge and features X-Digital wideband technology to give you more abilities than rival gauges, such as reporting values to provide optimized tuning and safer operating conditions. The gauge includes a serial port output for feedback control and data logging and output for data logging, giving the fastest responding wideband air/fuel ratio controllers through independent testing against 17 other competitors on the market. AEM's digital wideband AFR UEGO gauge can quickly alert you to even a 1 change in air/fuel ratio and provide enough time to shut down an engine before damage occurs. Pros: 1. Independent testing against the 17 rival best AFR gauges. User configurable display. Auto-dimming safety feature. Cons: warranty issues. Number 4. AEM 30 to 4406-30 to 35 PSI Boost Gauge. The next best gauge unit we have recommended for your vehicle is the AEM Boost Gauge, a specially crafted unit designed by seasoned scientists and engineers for your comfortable use. It is the world's most affordable unit in recent times, and it acts as a complete standalone gauge. Unlike many brands on the market, this gauge kit doesn't make use of any additional programs or sensors for its operations. It uses an LED system, which enables it to provide you all the precise references required for critical and thorough procedures. Keep yourself and anyone who takes control of your vehicle safe by making use of a gauge kit that alerts the driver as and when there are any operating conditions. These features make your gauge look more like what you want it to be, as opposed to a generic outlook, which will not be very attractive. Enjoy real-time operating conditions by using the AEM Boost Gauge for your vehicle. It can be mounted Anywhere you please, with the ability to fit into most gauge pods. Number 5. Turbo Boost/Vacuum Gauge Kit UNITA. This is a turbo boost gauge kit that measures levels from 0 to 30 psi and compression levels from -30 to 0 in Hg. It's a reliable mechanical gauge with a black dial, illuminated red needle, and low-profile tinted lens. All these things ensure easy readings and high visibility during the night. You'll be able to monitor the applied pressure without much effort and keep your vehicle's engine safe. You can choose one of 7 colorful boost gauges to complement your vehicle. All of them are incredibly stylish and come with the necessary installation parts and accessories. There's a silicone hose, T-fitting, power harness, gauge visor, gauge swivel dashboard pod, and mounting hardware. You will also get instructions for easier installation. The major drawback of this product regards the installation. The included hose is not long enough, and you might need to buy a new one. Some buyers also had to buy a fuse for the power source. When it comes to the design of the boost gauge, there's only one drawback: the display is not that visible under daylight.